MIra Cos'ki.
El deseo de un señor de California lo queda cumplir y seguro experienciar espacio en su otra vida. Su casalo manda el shinishi de su esposa de espacio y seguro el cacho estima de familia Tambe lo compañía de viaje. Ashley Sharp tiene el reportaje.
Well, welcome.
Before we even sat down with Buzz Jones,
I don't want to be rude.
he introduced us to Connie.
This is Connie, and this is Ashley. They're from CBS, dear. Your favorite.
His sweetheart on the shelf. In black and white,
Yeah, she was so bright and so smart.
his wife of 30 years.
She was a prolific reader, and she liked science fiction. You know, she'd tell me all sorts of things about Star Trek. She had a lot of the old memorabilia from Star Trek.
A fascination with the cosmos, a woman with her head in the clouds.
It makes me proud.
Before Connie passed of cancer, her dying wish was to take a trip to outer space. In her final moments, Buzz made a promise.
Connie, I've researched it. I'm sending you up. And she just she smiled. Couldn't say much.
The company, Celestis Inc., will launch its 24th memorial spaceflight this summer when remains of lost loved ones get the send-off of a lifetime.
It's a lot like scattering ashes at sea or something like that, only we appeal to people that have always wanted to travel in space.
The mission behind the mission is embracing eternity with a bang.
There's this moment of joy and transformation at liftoff that's hard to put into words.
Her remains are going to go up and be one with time.
And Connie won't enter orbit alone. Her Cocker Spaniel,
This is Casey.
who died 2 decades ago, will accompany her for one final walk among the stars.
I did it for you, dear.
E un robot ta soluciona el Rubik's Cube de un fracción de seconde. Investigador tanta usa tecnología 3D y conoce más de Grecia antiguo. Nuestro colega Jeremy Roth tiene informe.
Watch a robot solve a Rubik's Cube with world record-breaking speed. Did you see it? If not, it's because this marvel of a machine did it in a fraction of a second. A slow-motion replay shows the robot going through its series of motions that solve the confounding cube in the blink of an eye. The lightning-fast puzzle-playing bot is the brainchild of a team of engineering students from Purdue University who designed and created the robot, nicknamed the Purdubik's Cube, to combine color recognition, custom-solving algorithms, and industrial-grade motion control. It was unveiled at a student design competition late last year where the team took first prize, and they've since taken it a step further to the folks at Guinness World Records, who confirmed the robot's Rubik's rockin' time at a blistering 1/10 of a second, nearly 3 times faster than the previous record holder. Here's another fascinating feat that used cutting-edge technology to take a virtual time travel trip back to ancient Greece. Professor Juan de Lara at Wolfson College at Oxford set out to recreate the Parthenon in an effort to gain understanding of what the ancient temple's interior lighting may have looked like. Using 3D reconstructions and calculations based on physical simulations of light and its reflection, de Lara digitally recreated the structure's interior in stunningly accurate detail and simulated how its limited sun-sourced lighting may have interacted with its lavish ivory and golden appointments at different times of the day. The simulation was the culmination of 4 years of research that has successfully shed light on one of the world's most famous ancient landmarks. For Take a Look at This, I'm Jeremy Roth.
Y el cantante Rihanna está preparando música nueva para la película Smurfs, como también el otro voz del personaje icónico de Pitufina. Eric Beltrán tiene detalles.
¡Vamos a salvar a papá!
Déjenme adivinar, Papá Pitufo está en problemas.
Este miércoles se dio a conocer un nuevo adelanto de la próxima película Smurfs, Pitufos en español, a estrenarse a mediados de año. La producción mezclará animación con live action. En el tráiler publicado por Paramount Pictures se adelanta que Papá Pitufo será capturado por Razamel, el hermano del villano Gargamel, por lo que los pitufos se organizarán para encontrar y salvar a su líder, viviendo por grandes aventuras en el mundo real. Rihanna será la encargada de darle voz en inglés al icónico personaje de Pitufina, y se anunció que la película contará con una canción del artista titulada Friend of Mine, la cual será lanzada este viernes. A inicios de este mes, la cantautora originaria de Barbados apareció embarazada por tercera ocasión en la alfombra de la Met Gala. Esta no es la primera vez que se realiza una película de los famosos personajes azules basados en una historieta del caricaturista belga Pello, que data de la década de 1950. En 2011 se realizó la película de Smurfs, que también mezcló personajes de animación con actores verdaderos y contó con la participación de famosos como Neil Patrick Harris y la cantautora Katy Perry, como la voz en inglés de Pitufina, cinta que tuvo una secuela estrenada en 2013. A ellas siguió otra entrega totalmente de animación lanzada en 2017.
Aldric Werleman, Telenoticia.
MIra Cos'ki. MIra Cos'ki.